Έχεις SYM. Πού εδώ, μην τις ανοίξεις τα μάτια, μην τις ανοίξεις τα μάτια.
Κάτσε, τώρα το έδειξα λίγο, άντε δεν πειράζει.
Έχεις SYM και θες να είσαι cool, να είσαι διαφορετικός.
Ναι, θέλω.
Θες.
Θέλω.
Έχεις SYM.
Δεν έχω, αλλά θέλω να είμαι διαφορετικός.
Ναι,
αυτός που έχει.
Εδώ, αυτός που έχει. Όχι για σένα.
Πολύ ωραίο.
Μπάνεις το μάτι από μακριά, ρε παιδί μου.
TL, έτσι.
Ναι.
TL508. Κοίτα τώρα πως το έχουν κάνει. Αυτό, κάτσε λίγο, αυτό εδώ που είναι σαν κυψέλη είναι και αυτό, αυτοκόλλητο. Ναι, αυτοκόλλητο και αυτό.
Μας βλέπουν από την Ταϊβάν.
Μας βλέπουν, πώς δεν μας βλέπουν.
Ναι. Σίγουρα δεν υπάρχει περίπτωση να
Εσύ έχεις γίνει και αδέρφια εκεί πέρα. Πού πήγες, δεν πήγες?
Πήγα, φάγαμε
ναι.
εκεί μαζί.
Τι φάγατε εκεί, ήπιετε?
Λοιπόν, βλέπουν το χρώμα αυτό και λέει, «Ωχ, ωραίο ρε».
Ναι, είναι ωραίο, είναι ωραίο.
Το
Ναι.
φτιάξει αυτή.
Ναι.
Είναι φτιαχτό. Είναι τρέλα.
Είναι αυτοκόλλητα
Είναι
αυτά.
τρέλα.
Κοίτα να δεις, είναι το μαύρο το TL και το έχουν κολλήσει αυτοκόλλητα.
Στο
Βλέπεις.
TL το πάει πάρα πολύ και το CruiSym.
Και το CruiSym, θα το δείξουμε. Κοίτα εδώ τι έχει κολλήσει εδώ. Και έχει κολλήσει και εδώ. Αυτό το αυτοκόλλητο είναι παραγγελία.
Πήρε μια κυψέλη.
Ναι, και η κυψέλη μου άρεσε.
Πήρε μια κυψέλη και γραμμές κίτρινες και το απογείωσε.
Να τι κυψέλη. Πανέμορφα. Φαντάσου το βράδυ πώς θα φαίνεται αυτό,
Και καταρχήν είναι καλό τρίο motors.
Ναι.
Είναι καλό και για το τρίο motors, κοιτά.
Ναι. Μα το έχει κάνει κατά παραγγελία το αυτοκόλλητο. Hello.
We are from Greece.
Yes, I suppose. Because you say ne for yes. Otherwise, you are not satisfied if it is so much ne in conversation because we say ne for no.
I understand. Yes.
Yes, how can I
We
help you?
say no to everything.
Yes, I know, I understand.
Yes.
And ochi for no.
Yes.
But never no ochi. Never.
Yes.
Never.
We only say yes.
You say ochi, you are not good. You say yes.
Ochi is very rare.
We are amazed about the transformation.
Ah, yes, SYM is very popular in Greece, right?
Yes, it's very
we
popular.
know. Even
Yes.
our importer is imported from Greece.
I have been to the factory and I made a video.
Really?
With the production line.
In
the production
Taiwan?
line. Yes.
So you know how it is made and
Yes.
what is made.
If you write on YouTube factory SYM, I appear. And this yellow looks very good.
It is our touch because our company name is Trio Motors. So
We have.
these two are our test.
Do you sell this?
We can, yes. If a
Okay.
customer wants it, yes.
Okay.
Άρα αν κάποιος θέλει το πουλάνε.
How much? About?
Approximately 150 euros. 150-200 euros approximately.
To make it like this.
Yes.
Okay, I have a very good big salesman in SYM in Greece, and he might be very interesting. And many people see this video now in
In
Greece.
Greece, yes.
Just a second, please.
Yes.
I will give you a
So
business card.
I believe you're going to sell in Greece this.
Είναι φανταστικό,
Να σας
έτσι.
πω ρε, καγκούγια.
Έλα να
Σας
δείξω.
βρήκα-
Κάτσε
σας
να δείξω.
βρήκα έτοιμο.
Βρίσκεις και έτοιμα αυτοκόλλητα, δηλαδή, εντάξει.
Εγώ πιστεύω καμία
Κοίτα και το
τερτοριά-
CruiSym τι ωραίο που το έχει κάνει
Πιστεύω
εδώ.
καμία τερτοριά κομμάτια θα πουλήσει αυτό το κομμάτι.
Κοίτα εδώ. Πιστεύω κι εγώ.
Το πάρει χοντροδήμος, σχήρα.
Ναι. Κοίτα εδώ πόσο μου αρέσει αυτό εδώ. Κοίτα λίγο, βλέπεις. Τι δείχνω. Η κυψέλη πάνω στο ασημί επάνω.
Milorad, our sales manager, he's not here at the moment.
Nice.
You can contact him by email or he can give you some extra
Μην το
information.
δείχνεις αυτόν.
This guy is working in
ναι.
Novi Sad also. He is near our company.
So
We are from Novi Sad.
If somebody calls you, it's going to talk to you or
To Milorad.
Milorad.
Yes, he's
Okay.
our
You-
manager.
are you going to tell him?
I'm even not. Yes, I'm going to tell him. I'm
Okay.
even not in the sales department. I just help my colleagues. in this.
Just tell him that one.
Greek people are amazed.
Yes, it is a great compliment for us. We know that it is so much popular in Greece.
Yes,
SYM.
very
By the
popular.
way,
Yes.
my YouTube channel is the biggest in Greece with motorcycles. So
I saw.
Travel Moto is the name.
I saw one or two on YouTube videos in Greece when they
Unboxing.
unboxing.
Me, my channel.
Yes, we
yes,
are. We are this channel.
Yes, I saw that.
So the biggest in Greece with motorcycles. So lots of videos I do, and they are going to see this now. So probably they are going to call you for this.
Great, we will be honored. Really.
Tell your colleague that
Respect calls
people
from Greece.
probably will be interested from Greece, so
Okay.
he should be good to our viewers.
Yes.
Yes, of course.
I
Yes,
think the viewers will like it because
course.
we loved it, especially the bee. You know, from the bees. I don't know
yes,
the
I know.
word.
Yes, from the bees. Yes,
Yes.
yes.
From
it
the
is-
honey, where they make the honey.
It is some kind of idea of our marketing manager to make it like this. Our general manager wanted to make it something like to personalize some
Yes,
of motors.
I
And he
understand.
said, "Can we do like this?" He said, "Whoa, great, do like that." Yes.
It's nice.
If
Very
I
beautiful.
had this TL, I would definitely worth the 200 euros to make it to look amazing and different, unique. Because from far away I cut my eyes.
Yes, yes, you're right. That is why they choose these colors. It is a bit of discreet, but you see it from
Yes, yes.
far away.
Does it match good with the blue color? This ticket?
We didn't put in the blue. We have one blue in our sales department, but we didn't put. We just put on these two, and maybe no, just these two. First we tried on this one. We liked it, and then we put on that one. And after talking to a guy that helps us to do that, he said no problem. We can do personalizing whenever. If you sell some motorcycle and the customer wants to do this, he will do it.
Nice. Thank you very much for
Very beautiful.
Thank you.
for talking to
Thank
us.
you, thank you.
Thank you for
You are
making
a-
videos for us.
You are synchronized in Travel Moto, the biggest
You can
YouTube
see it
channel
in
Greece.
Travel Moto, the
Travel
video.
Moto, okay.
Yes, one word.
Travel moto. One
Travel
word.
Moto,
Our
yes.
channel is with motorcycles, and we make always fun, and we are not so serious.
Sorry,
Always
this is our manager. I would like to introduce you.
Hello.
Sorry.
We are from
People from Greece,
Milorad.
Greece.
and they're making
Hello.
videos of SYM. That videos we watched with unpacking the motorcycles.
Unboxing.
Their work.
Unboxing.
It's their work.
Ah, really?
I was telling him I have where you tall.
He's ex-basketball player.
Where do you find clothes? I cannot find clothes.
Serbia, you can find.
Really?
Yeah, we are all tall people.
And they're fascinated with this touch.
This is amazing.
With these stripes.
So now, right now, my channel is very big, and many people are watching, and they are going to be interested with the stickers now.
Yeah, we saw.
So they might call you for ordering.
I said it's approximately
Shipping
200 euros.
Yeah, I think it's 200 euros approximately. Maybe it's where from? Sorry,
Greece.
Greece. Maybe the transport is maybe a little problem because of the.
Maybe you send to one dealership, one
Yeah.
SYM shop all together, so he can spread.
Yeah. Why not? Here's my contact.
We
Your colleague gave it to us.
one of the very big dealers in Greece with SYM is my friend. So he is watching the video, and he might want to be interested in the.
Yeah.
And make an
This is
order.
in Greece,
Gorgon is my friend.
Really?
My friend.
Yes.
Great.
He's an importer. I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Dealer in
Dealer.
Greece.
Yeah.
They're all my friends because I have the channel, so they know me. I know them. And
Yes, of course. Yeah, we want to make every our demo vehicle, demo motorcycle to be something like this with the stripes, or maybe this 400. We will try to be with some star like Captain America, something like that. Little military.
you make your own design. Like this is you make this.
Yes, we have marketing manager.
This is a very nice design.
Yeah, and we have a
It changes the whole story here. It's
guy
a-
who is doing rap, and those two is very good for.
Let them ask them in Greek.
Έλα, ρώτα.
Αφήστε ένα σχόλιο μας σας αρέσει. που έχει γίνει το μηχανάκι,
Ναι.
έτσι, έχει γίνει πολύ μορφή.
Ναι, ναι, πολύ ωραίο, πολύ ωραίο. Πανέμορφο είναι.
Thank you. Your name?
Milorad.
Milorad.
Yes.
My name is Vasilis.
Vasilis. Yeah.
My name Magdalena.
We have same names.
Yes.
All right. All right. Αυτό ήταν καγκουράκια το
Ναι,
βίντεο.
αυτό ήταν το βίντεο.
Πείτε μέσα.
Τι άλλο θέλουν δηλαδή από τον Travel Moto.
Τι άλλο θέλετε, καγκούρια.
Ναι.
Σας δείχνω πράγματα που δεν υπάρχουν.
Ναι.
Τι άλλο θέλετε. I'm showing you things that do not exist. What else do you want me to do? And this is what I say to them.
Okay, so I close the video now.
Yes.
Okay.
Travel
Okay.
Moto.
Travel Moto. Travel Moto.
One word.